Today's episode is sponsored by Revant Cosmetics. Now, what is Revant Cosmetics? Revant Cosmetics is a beauty brand dedicated to high quality makeup designed specifically for mature skin. The mission is simple: makeup that looks beautiful, feels comfortable, and helps women feel confident at any age. Now, Revant products are made with premium ingredients, and they're hypoallergenic, cruelty free, paraben free, they're vegan. Black, brown, gray, and navy and green shades are vegan formulas, and those are in their eyeliners. And I really enjoy their eyeliners. Their eyeliners go on so smooth, guys. But they have a smooth guide and there's no tugging or dragging. They're easy to control for shaky hands or reduced vision. They're lightweight and comfortable for daily wear. They're hypoallergenic and they're paraben free, ideal for sensitive and watery eyes. And boy, do my eyes water sometimes when I put on eyeliners. Now, they have 6 pigment shades for everyday wear. Now, this is how it came in the box with the 6 colors, and the colors are very pigmented. And it also has a built-in sharpener to keep those precise edges. Now, I'm going to share with you what the colors look like. Now, this is brown, black, gray, purple, green, and navy. Now these colors are very pigmented, guys, and I tell you, that wasn't a hard swatch. The colors are very pigmented. I know you will enjoy them because I am loving them. Also, with this being February, they have a Valentine's Day sale going on, and the sale is from February the 2nd to the 8th. And it is a site-wide sale. Everything is 22% off, automatically applied at checkout. Now, also, there will be an additional 10% for my subscribers when they purchase one of the products. Now, I will have a code down below for you to click on to add when you go to Revant's website. Now, I'll have all their things put down below if you're interested in shopping with them. Now, I'm telling you guys, I really enjoyed using their cosmetics. Now I'm going to do 2 different colors. I'm going to do one eye, one color, and one with another color, because I want to show you the difference in the eyeliner pencils. Oh, y'all wouldn't believe how smooth this goes on. I like this because of the smoothness. Now, before you have to really fight with the eyeliner to go on, but this one, you don't, it's not a fight. It's a smooth application. And I am really liking this. It's not me trying to force anything. I mean, it's just a smooth. It's a smooth. Goodness gracious. And I can even do my under. Oh my goodness. You see how smooth that goes on? Where have you been all my life? Look at that. Do you see how smooth that went on? There was no fighting to get this eyeliner on. And I'm telling y'all, I'm really liking this. Now I'm going to put the brown on the bottom. I can't believe how smooth. just goes on. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's a whip. It's not scratching my eye. It's a gel and it goes on so smooth. Now I'm going to put on the navy on this side. Now, like most of the time when I put on pencils, it's, you get that little scratchy feeling sometimes. And I am not getting that at all. It's like a smooth applicator. It goes on so smooth. Look at that. You don't even feel the pencil. That's why I'm looking at amazements. You don't even feel it. Normally you have to look to make sure you're doing it. But I'm sitting here putting it on and I know I'm putting it on, but I don't feel the pencil, if you get what I'm saying. And us women that are 50 plus, we need that little extraness. We need that little softness, a little easier to make eyeliner go on where it's not such a hassle. Now I want you to look at that eye, the blue. Look at that blue. See? Now they do have a pretty gray, and the gray looks almost black, but it is a gray. So I'm going to put on a little gray. Guys, I'm going to start wearing gray. That looks so pretty. They also have a purple and a green, as I showed you on my arm. Now, I think the purple will look good on this eye with this blue. Now they are really buildable. So you can put it on as light or as dark as you choose. Now look at that eye. Oh. Now here's the eye with the black and the brown. And here's the eye with the blue, purple, and gray. I'm liking that purple. That looks so pretty, guys. Now, I'm going to finish my face. But I wanted you to see how these different colors look on me. The blue is pretty. Look at that. Let me cover up this. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And it went on so smoothly. And I'm really liking it. And then on the other eye with the black and the brown, that is pretty. I'm liking the looks, okay? I am. I'm liking the looks, even though my eyebrows look a little bit wild right now because I didn't blend this in too well. But look at that. Look at the color. Look, it went on so smooth. That's one thing I look at when I do eyeliners. I want them to be smooth. I don't want the pencil to be a job to put on where you have, I do it in snatches or, sketches because you don't want to draw a straight line because it never works out. But I always want it to be smooth. This pencil from Revant, it goes on, I want to say like icing in a sense. If you get what I'm saying, ladies. When you put it on, it's a smooth slide. It's not where you feel the pencil, because I had to keep looking in the mirror and make sure I was putting it on because I could not feel the pencil. That's how smooth it is. And it went on with the fullness of it. You see that? I'm loving it. I really am. So let me finish my face, and I am going to pick this side, and I'll be back. Now here is the final look with the eyeliner. Now you tell me, do my eyes look drop dead gorgeous? Ah, they do. So don't forget to look for my 10% discount code down below and tell Revant that Stephanie sent you. Bye-bye.